Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to expand background using Photoshop Generative AI. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I drag and drop an image into Photoshop to open the image. This is an image I downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Next, we can go to the toolbar. We can find Crop Tool. Click it, and then we can see the crop tool around the image. Next, we can go to the top option bar. We can find the ratio that we want to crop. For example, I will use 16:9. So we can adjust the crop area. I want to expand it. So I make the expand area looking like this. Next, we can go to Fill. We can find the options Generative Expand or Counter Area Fill. In this tutorial, I will use Generative Expand. Click it, and then we can click Confirm. And then we can type the prompts that we want to generate. If you don't have any idea, we can leave it blank and generate. And wait a moment. After generating, we can go to Properties window. We can find three variations: the first variation, the second variation, and the third variation. This is quite nice. I use the first variation. If you want to have more options, we can generate once again. Furthermore, if you go to Show Contextual taskbar, we can find the same feature, Generative Expand here. So this is how we can expand image background using Photoshop Generative AI. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.